idol.
Maraming salamat po. Please have your seats, please. Medyo buong resume ko, sir.
Charito Zamora.
To
Honorable.
our distinguished guests, leaders of the medical profession, honored members of the Professional Regulatory Board of Medicine, colleagues from the Professional Regulation Commission, the Philippine Medical Association, esteemed families, mentors, and most especially our newly licensed physicians, good day to you all. This is more than a mere ceremony. It is a milestone that signifies the culmination of years of dedication and perseverance toward a noble profession. You are all here today because you have chosen to persevere and pursue a purpose-driven life over one of comfort and complacency. Allow me to recognize the presence of our honorables. Honorable Efren Laksamana, Chairman of the Professional Regulatory Board of Medicine, and also its members, Honorable Prudencio Santa Lucia Jr., Martha Lucum, Honorable Joanna Remo, Honorable Joselito Chavez, and Honorable Policarpio Joves Jr., whose steadfast guidance and dedication continue to uphold the highest standards of the medical profession. Palakpakan po natin ang inyong board. We also extend our profound appreciation to Dr. Hector M. Santos Jr., President of the Philippine Medical Association, for his continued leadership in advancing the welfare and unity of the medical community. To our partners in governance and professional regulation, thank you for joining us in preserving the honor of the noble profession of medicine. Most importantly, to our newly licensed physicians, palakpakan po natin sila. Today, you join the profession in a very challenging yet rewarding period where we are experiencing digital transformation, artificial intelligence, global movement, and ever-growing patient expectations. But amidst all this, there is one constant that will remain true. Medicine is a compassionate profession. It is only the beginning of your professional journey. Your oath of professionalism will define your values and principles throughout your career. The Professional Regulation Commission, in collaboration with the Professional Regulatory Board of Medicine, will continue to support you by ensuring your professional development through various CPD activities, such as the CPD Act of 2016 and the Philippine Qualifications Framework Act. Initiatives such as CPD and CPSP CATS will allow you to continuously grow in a way that will make you a dynamic, responsive, and globally competitive practitioner today, ready to face the challenges brought by contemporary medicine, not just here, but everywhere in the world. Additionally, the ASEAN Mutual Recognition Arrangement on Medical Practitioners empowers medical doctors to transcend borders, fostering excellence, collaboration, and a shared commitment to advancing healthcare across Southeast Asia. This is really not to encourage you to leave your country, but we cannot stop you, of course. But beyond technical excellence, I urge you to cultivate something even more essential. As earlier mentioned by Chair Efren Laksamana, humanity in medicine. Technology may assist diagnosis, but it cannot replace compassion. Artificial intelligence may support clinical decisions, but it cannot replace human presence. No algorithm can comfort a grieving family or reassure a frightened child. That responsibility belongs to you. Never underestimate the healing power of kindness. At times of uncertainty, exhaustion, and tough calls, your ethic should determine your actions as much as your professionalism dictates your thoughts. Make the choice that is morally right, just, and dignified. The medical profession is one of the most admired, yet one of the most challenging. Lifelong dedication to hard work, humility, and education is needed. As part of the CPD and CPSB CATS programs, we will ensure that your learning process continues through acquiring more competencies, adapting global standards, and innovating best practices, which will guide you all in a future dominated by precision medicine, digital healthcare systems, and multidisciplinary partnerships in the healthcare field. The Philippines needs doctors who can contribute to nation building. They must be able to provide their services in the city hospitals as well as the rural areas and address the healthcare gaps, especially in ensuring access to high quality care. To your families and mentors, this success is yours too. Without you, none of this would have been possible. To our partners from the medical profession, especially the Philippine Medical Association and regulatory bodies, we thank you for helping maintain the integrity and honor of Philippine medicine. To our newly licensed professionals, you do not simply gain a credential. You accept a responsibility to protect life, preserve dignity, and promote health in all its forms. May you carry your oath not only in ceremonies, but in every hospital, corridor, clinic room, bedside conversation, and silent decision made in service. Excellence in medicine is not measured only by cures achieved, but by compassion shown, dignity preserved, and humanity upheld. May your hands be skilled, your mind sharp, your heart compassionate, and your purpose unwavering. Serve with honor, heal with compassion, lead with integrity. On behalf of the Professional Regulation Commission, I congratulate you, our newest physicians. The nation is proud of you, the profession welcomes you, and the future of healthcare is now partly in your hands. Thank you very much po. Mabuhay ang mga bagong lisensyado ng Government ng Pilipinas.